Good evening, everyone. Welcome to your weekly psychic reading. This reading will be a mix of Hindi and English so that it can reach out to more and more people. There are two reasons for it. Firstly, because it is a Mercury retrograde period, and I want my message, these messages that we are getting from our cards, to reach out to more and more people. Secondly, one of my soul sisters really helped me out to understand the importance of conducting readings in both the languages. So, yeah, thank you, my soul sister. Okay, so I am using my symbol augury card. So, they are beautiful circular cards. They have ancient symbols, and they are very simple. The cards only have symbols and their names. These symbols were used like जब numbers colors and words एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते थे फॉर टू द ह्यूमन बींग्स फॉर कम्युनिकेशन उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे कुछ सिम्बल्स यूज करते थे टू कम्युनिकेट विद डिफरेंट ट्राइब्स और आई कैन से विद people or among each others. So these are the collection of those ancient symbols. So इसके दो स्प्रेड हैं, एक एक्शन स्प्रेड होता है और एक इमोशन स्प्रेड होता है. आई एम यूजिंग एक्शन स्प्रेड एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम फॉर गेटिंग आवर वीकली साइकिक मैसेज. सो दीज आर लेस प्रिडिक्टिव, मोर प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव. ओके, इसे पूरे हफ्ते का प्रिडिक्शन की जगह पे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन की तरह देखें ताकि वी आर इन अ पोजिशन टू रियली टेक एक्शन as defined and suggested and prescribed by divine. So I have already made this spread ready for us. I'll just take out these cards and let's see what do we have for this week. Okay, and also let's see what do we have for at the bottom of the deck. It's okay. So the overall theme for this week is eternity, infinite. Okay, so there is a concept which says in every second you have thousands of possibilities to change your life. So the moment you're crying, the moment you are feeling upset about yourself, जब आपको एकदम होपलेसनेस है लाइफ में, कुछ भी आपका वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है लाइफ में, हर एक सेकेंड जो आप व्यतीत कर रहे हैं, एवरी सेकेंड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टर्न अराउंड योर लाइफ. यू नो, एवरी सिंगल थॉट दैट यू थिंक हैज़ द पावर टू चेंज योर लाइफ. And that is what is eternity means here. So it also means karma. So अगर कर्मा आप देखें, हम अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में फंसते हैं, अलग अलग लोगों के साथ हमारा कर्मा जुड़ा होता है और हमें खुद भी नहीं पता होता है कि हम इस सिचुएशन में फंस कैसे गए, हमने तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया था, राइट? कई बार ऐसा होता है. सो देयर इज अ कॉबवेब ऑफ कर्मा अराउंड अस and that goes on and on and on and on, right? Like a cycle of birth and death. So eternity also talks about that if you can really take advantage of the infinite intelligence, infinite divinity, infinite creativity that we have in within us, और इस इटर्नल प्रोसीजर जो इटर्निटी से हमारे साथ चल रहा है वो हमारा कर्मा बैगेज ही है. सो यू नो समवेयर डाउन दिस होल यू नो the signs that these people of the ancient times used, they actually had a very deep meaning. So it's not just time is eternal or you know life is eternal or energy is eternal, not such big things. It just says that everything in our life is so nicely cobwebbed, right, that हमें वो उसको हम अनटाई नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो इटर्निटी इज दैट, यू नो, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव दैट इनफाइनाइट possibilities in every second of your life to turn around your life in your favor and recreate your life. And also it talks about correcting or you know really taking that action towards rebuilding and rewiring of your life. Okay, so that's our overall message, but before that let's see what all messages we have. So our anchor card is victory, followed by focus, harmony, stop, and speed, life element. So I'm really sorry for the traffic noise that's coming in the background. Please bear with me. Okay, so our overall message is eternity, and let's see how this fits in here for us. ये हमारा action spread है for this symbol augury card. There are two spreads, main spreads. एक action spread है, which is this. Emotion spread is a different one. I'll also be using that emotion spread in coming times to understand how our emotions is being has to be used and what is the message that we need to get. So okay, this week बहुत अच्छी बात ये है कि ये हफ्ता हमारे लिए विक्ट्री का वीक है. So our main theme is to really strive towards our victory. Okay, so how will this victory come is what these 5 cards will talk about. Now focus. Okay, now this card is actually about really having that target set so that you can achieve this victory. Most of the times we want to be healthy, but we do not have a target set for it. We do not have a clear plan towards it. We are not focused towards it. We need to do yoga, we need to do exercises, we need to really change our lifestyle, etc, etc. We want a job, but we do not have a stipulated routine to upgrade ourselves or look for jobs or really working towards it. So we are not target oriented most of the times, and even if we have a routine or a target written with us, we are not focused over it. So that if you really want to achieve victory, being focused on your target is very important. Okay, yet another card that we have got here is speed. Now if you can see, this is arrow. जब एक बाण धनुष से निकलता है तो उसका एक डायरेक्शन होता है, उसकी स्पीड होती है, उसका टारगेट फिक्स्ड होता है, वो उधर ही जा रहा है, राइट, वो ऊपर नीचे नहीं जाएगा, और उसको एक स्पीड से उसको एक पावर से फेंका गया है, राइट, उसको एक टारगेट लगाया गया है, राइट. सो वीक हैंडेड अगर आप एरो कहीं पे भी टारगेट करेंगे तो वो गिरेगा नीचे, वो अपने टारगेट को हिट नहीं करेगा. सो यू हैव टू बी रियली फोकस्ड विद दैट फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ so that if you really want to get victory in your life, you'll have to have that speed, direction, focus, velocity. You need to have that strength also. क्योंकि एंड ये कर्मा का भी कार्ड है. सो इन दोनों में डिफरेंस बस ये है कि ये मैंने टारगेट सेट कर लिया, मैंने प्लानिंग कर ली, आई एम डिटर्मिन्ड, I have that willpower, but speed actually says that now I am ready to hit my target, right? So karma has already been done. So this is the week of really this is an action spread, and it is actually talking about कि ultimately if you really utilize each and every moment of your life purposefully, and you do not waste your time, and you're really focused on your target and you take an action towards it, victory is guaranteed. So this is a very nice week. So just see where all you are stuck, write that down, put a target to it, and really work towards it. Also, harmony is a card which talks about self-love, having that harmony with our own selves. Most of the times, we do not accept that something has happened with us. Somebody might have cheated with you and you felt bad about it. Now the whole idea is it's all right, we all feel bad when we get cheated, or maybe we do not get a response from our interview, or we do not get an opportunity, or our health is actually stuck. But the whole idea is, do you really accept that whatever issues you have in your life is yours, right? So harmonizing with that is very important. And also we have come along with, this card has come with life elements. So it is very important that you harmonize your life elements: fire, water, earth, air, space. So our body is made up of these 5 life elements. ये जो ये जो हमारे, और यही हमारे चक्रास भी डिपिक्ट करते हैं. बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग लॉट ऑन टू दैट यू शुड बी गोइंग अहेड विद सम चक्रा बैलेंसिंग और व्हाटएवर. द होल आइडिया इज आप कैसे सोचते हैं, क्या रिस्पॉन्स है आपका, आप अपने आप को किस नज़र से देखते हैं, आपके इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स खुद के लिए क्या हैं, डू यू रियली ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, डू यू रियली रिस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ, आर यू इन हार्मनी विथ योर ओन सेल्फ. Harmony is also achieved when you can really be silent for some time. So I would prescribe you, I would suggest you that please take 20 minutes of silence time with your own self this week, so that you can really focus on the direction that you have to hit your target, so that you can achieve victory. And self love, taking care of your own health is very important. And make sure that you are self oriented this week, because आपकी victory important है. Also ये सब हम कैसे करेंगे अगर हमारा पास्ट बैगेज हम कैरी ऑन करते रहें. सो दिस कार्ड, हार्मोनाइजिंग विथ योर ओन सेल्फ एंड रियली प्योरीफाइंग योर लाइफ एलिमेंट will not happen if you won't stop the way you think about yourself. If you'll not release what needs to be released, which is not serving you any good, you need to let go of the past, you need to let go of the past hurt. So it is a target, it's a task. It is easy for me to say, but ye karna difficult hai, I understand. But this week is the week of victory that can be achieved by understanding that every second of your life has that eternal power to change your life and bring out that infinite creativity and divinity and intelligence from your life. So just stop for a while, think about it. How are you approaching your problem? Are you really focused? Are you really cleansing your thoughts, words and actions? Are you really taking action? Do you really love, respect yourself? Have you been able to release the old so that the newer version can really come up? आपको एक नया सिचुएशन, एक अच्छी जिंदगी के लिए you'll have to stop living जो अभी आप लाइफ जी रहे हैं. You'll have to really give it up. So it is a task, but it is not it is difficult, but it is not impossible, right? और ये action spread है. This actually is talking about what should we be doing so that we can achieve this overall theme and the anchor theme. And overall theme is eternity and anchor theme is victory. यानी ये हफ्ते में हमारा विक्ट्री इज अश्योर्ड अगर हमने थोड़ा सा अपने आप को स्ट्रीमलाइन कर लिया, थोड़ा सा लेट गो करके अपना टाइम वेस्ट करना फालतू चीज़ों पे बंद कर दिया, एक टारगेट लेकर एक डायरेक्शन दे दिया खुद को, अपने ऊपर ध्यान दिया, अपने थॉट्स फीलिंग्स इमोशंस पे ध्यान दिया, अपने आप को थोड़ा बैलेंस किया, थोड़ा साइलेंस में रहे, करेक्टली अपना फोकस ठीक किया. कई बार हमारा फोकस ना सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये रहता है कि दूसरे से माफ़ी मंगवा लो, राइट? उसने ऐसा किया तो उसको सजा मिले, वो एंड ये वी आर फोकस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, right? Our target has to be something that can help us to achieve our victory rather than somebody else's failure. So please make sure that this week you are thinking in the right direction and stopping the way you approach things or you have been approaching things up till now. So let go, move on. Please just move forward and achieve amazing victory this week. And do let me know what victories are you achieving and what are your targets. How easy or difficult this whole journey would be for you, because this is a weekly reading for 8th to 14th, and this is like Valentine's week. So happy Valentine's Day, sweethearts. And also we have Mercury retrograde, so I understand that harmonizing and focusing and really thinking clearly and communicating what you are thinking, all that will have will have a lot of hurdles. But rest assured, the divine is actually trying to tell you that victory is yours. You are definitely moving one step forward and bettering your life this week than you were up till now. So all the best. Do share your comments and do share this video with your loved ones. Like, subscribe, comment and share. I'll be waiting for your victories, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.